In his famous book, The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history, Michael Hart ranked Sir Isaac Newton as the second most influential person in history. This ranking highlights the profound and lasting impact Newton had on the world, especially in science and human understanding. Hart chose Newton for this position because of his groundbreaking discoveries and the way they changed humanity's view of the universe. Newton's greatest contributions were his laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation. These principles explained how objects move and how gravity works, shaping the foundation of modern physics. Newton's discoveries helped people understand not just everyday motions, but also how planets orbit the sun. Hart believed these ideas were revolutionary because they introduced a new way of looking at the natural world and sparked advancements in science that are still relevant today. Another reason for Newton's influence was his invention of calculus, a new branch of mathematics. Calculus provided tools to solve complex problems in science, engineering, and economics. Hart noted that this achievement showcased Newton's unmatched brilliance and his ability to solve problems that had puzzled people for centuries. Newton's book, Principia Mathematica, is considered one of the most important works in scientific history. In this book, he outlined his laws of motion and gravitation, using mathematics to explain the natural world. Hart described this book as a masterpiece that not only influenced scientists of Newton's time, but also shaped scientific thinking for generations. Newton also made important contributions to astronomy. He invented the reflecting telescope, which produced clearer images than earlier telescopes. This invention opened up new possibilities for studying the universe and demonstrated Newton's creative genius. Hart emphasized that Newton's work in multiple fields showed his incredible intelligence and curiosity. What set Newton apart, according to Hart, was his role in sparking the scientific revolution. Before Newton, science was still developing, and many natural phenomena were not well understood. Newton's discoveries provided clear, logical explanations for these phenomena, inspiring others to explore and question the world around them. His work became the foundation for modern science and influenced not only scientists, but also philosophers, engineers, and thinkers. Newton's personal qualities also contributed to his success. He was incredibly determined and curious, often working tirelessly to solve problems. Hart admired his persistence, noting that Newton's ability to focus deeply on difficult questions led to his groundbreaking achievements. Beyond science, Newton's ideas influenced philosophy, religion, and society. He demonstrated that reason and observation could uncover the laws of the universe, challenging traditional beliefs and encouraging a more logical approach to understanding the world. His discoveries showed that the universe operates under consistent and predictable rules, bridging the gap between science and faith. Hart ranked Newton second because his work had a global impact. His principles and methods transformed not just European science, but also influenced thinkers and researchers worldwide. Even today, Newton's discoveries remain central to education and research, proving his timeless significance. In conclusion, Michael Hart recognized Sir Isaac Newton as one of the greatest figures in history because of his unparalleled contributions to science, mathematics, and human understanding. Newton's work laid the foundation for the modern scientific world and inspired generations to explore the universe. His story reminds us that with curiosity, hard work, and determination, we can achieve extraordinary things.